Hello and welcome. So for this one, I'm going to be walking you guys through how the Discord notifications work and how to set that up to receive the pings from your tasks under profitable flips, and then those will be directed directly into Discord. So by the end, you're going to have it all set up to start receiving pings similar to what you're seeing right here. So the very first thing that we're going to do is once we're over here in Discord, you look here on the left, you'll see the Add a Server button here. So we're going to click on that. Then we're going to click on Create My Own, and then for me and my friends. And then you can name it whatever you want. Doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna name it FlipAlert Test Server. And then once we create this, it's gonna greet you with with one text channel and one voice channel. You can kind of do whatever you want here with that. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these just for clean, just to clean it up a little bit here. So now we have just a text channel, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and rename this one. You can kind of name your categories and channels whatever you want. We're just gonna call this one General Flips to kind of show you the example here for the first channel that we'll set up. And that's pretty much it on the Discord side. Once your server is created and you have the first channel that you want your price drops to filter into, we can move on to the next step, which is connecting the Discord over to FlipAlert. So now that we're back over here on FlipAlert, get logged in, and then once you're logged in, you're going to come down here to Settings on the bottom left. So we're going to click on Settings. We're going to head over into the Notification section where we'll set up our Discord and link it over. So once this loads, give it a quick second here. Okay, so once we're loaded in, you're going to click on Authorize FlipAlert Bot. So we're going to have to add the FlipAlert bot over into our Discord. So you'll see this pop up once you click on that. It'll take you over to Discord and it'll request some permissions and ask you to link it in. So for you might only have the one server unless there's multiple servers. You can kind of add it to whatever server that you own. And in this case, the one we own is the one that we just created, right? So the FlipAlert test server. We'll go ahead and hit Continue. And then we'll authorize it with the administrator privileges. Click Authorize. I'm human. And then Success. So we added the bot to the Discord server now. So the next step is going to be to go back over into FlipAlert and come back into the notification screen here. So now we should be able to click on a refresh server list. And once that's refreshed, you'll know it worked if you see your server that you created right here under the Select Server section. Now we're ready to go ahead and go over into the Flip section here, and then Tasks, and we can set these up and decide which tasks we want to direct into our Discord, right? So I'm going to use this first catch-all one. I usually have like kind of a base task that's very wide, captures a lot of items, right? So I'm going to click into the Edit button, right? You can also do it under whenever you're creating the task, but in this case, I'm going to go ahead and direct this one that I already have created. So I'm going to click Edit, and then come into Notifications, and then you'll be able to click on this, and this will load here. So wait a second while this loads in all the channels. So now that it's loaded in, you'll see that we only have the one channel created right now, so it's just the General Flips, right? So we're going to direct this task over into there by clicking on that, and then clicking Save Changes. And that's pretty much, that's it right there, right? So we're now set up. We will now see any products that drop under the filter for this task, similar to just like you'll see here in notifications. See, like this helmet would have showed up in there, right, if I had already set it up. But now moving forward, every drop that comes through our notification section will also be directed over into the Discord, right? So now we're going to have those come directly into here. And that's really it. If you get stuck anywhere in this process or need any help getting this all connected, feel free to reach out to us in the FlipAlert Discord support channels.